good morning to all of you students. I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging Tools. So students, let's start our today's session with the very first subject, English. So you all have to bring out your English book, which is there on screen. So kindly bring out your child-centric English perfection toolkit, one of two joyful tea. Along with it, you all have to carry your English notebook because as you know that we are doing the recap work. So we will do the reading work as well as the writing part. Fine. So writing part you have to do in your English notebook. So both of things you have to require. So please be ready with the book as well as with the English notebook plus a sharp pencil and eraser. So I am waiting for you all. Till then you will do hurry and be ready. Hurry up, students. Okay, let me open your book. So, students, in the previous session, we will do the recap of your unit B. So, today we will do the recap of your next unit, which is your unit C. Fine. So, here we will do the revision of your next blend TH word. So, what is the sound? It will give you sound. TH will give you th. Say thermos. Th sound with sound. Th sound, right? TH will give you with sound, sound. Give you sound, right? Can you please give me an example? Ma'am, three. Very good. So students, today we will do the recap of this worksheet. तो सबसे पहले we will do the reading part. हम reading part करेंगे, revise करेंगे अपने words, vocab. Then we will do the passage reading and then we will come to the writing portion. जहाँ पे आप writing practice करोगे. Okay? So let's start. अभी we will do in the same format. We will not take any help with the pictures. आपने pictures को hide करना है सबसे पहले. Okay. And what we will do? We will start reading. So we will read the very first word. Again I am telling you, अगर किसी को भी confusion है तो TH आपको कौन सी sound देता है students? थ sound देता है. ठीक है. जब आपका T और H consonants. These are the two consonants. Which one? T एंड H. जब T और H कंबाइन होते हैं तो वो आपको क्या साउंड देते हैं? थ से थर्मस वाली साउंड देते हैं. ठीक है. अगर वो बिगनिंग में है और इफ इट इज इन द एंड में भी कहीं है तो आपकी साउंड जो है वो हमेशा सेम रहेगी. ये चीज आपको यू हैव टू कीप इट इन योर माइंड दैट साउंड विल नेवर चेंज. अगर आप साउंड की पोजीशन चेंज कर दोगे अपने वर्ड्स में इन द बिगनिंग or in the end or even in the middle also, it will give you the same sound because sound is something which never change. Okay. So that the main thing which you all have to keep it in your mind. And the next thing is that th, there are some of the side words. ठीक है. कुछ side words होते हैं जैसे if I am giving you an example of the, है ना, the, the. अब सी यहाँ पर भी th है बट साउंड क्या आ रही है? द साउंड आ रही है. द से दवात है ना. तो ये यहाँ पर आपकी phonic sound और the blend sound will not work because ये sight words है तो इनकी अपनी एक sound होती है. Okay, like the, this, that. तो यहाँ पर th की sound the ही रहेगी but rest of the words, if you are talking about the rest of the words, so वहाँ पर आपको th sound ही follow करनी है. Okay, so that is the main thing जो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने वाली है. ठीक है. थ्रू आउट द सेशन वी विल फॉलो दिस साउंड, थ साउंड. ओके. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. सो वी विल रीड द वेरी फर्स्ट वर्ड. सो th will give you th sound. th, e, n. Thin. What is it? What's the word? It's thin. How we will pronounce it? Thin. The next one is th, r, a, d. Thread. What is this? Thread. What is thread? I will show you. Yes. Next, three. Three. What is this? Three. How many fingers I'll show you? Three fingers, right? Okay. The next, thumb. Where is your thumb? This one. The next one is see here the th is in the beginning. यहाँ पर जितने भी आपने words करे in the upper section, यहाँ पर th आपका beginning में था, right? Now the words which you are covering over here in this section, यहाँ पर आपका th end में है, right? But it will not impact anywhere. It will give you the same sound wherever the th is, in the beginning or in the end. It will not impact it anyway. So now we will start reading. So it's bath. Okay, I forgot to hide the picture. So let me hide the picture, and now you will read. So now the next one is, let's read the next word. So now, yes, start reading. So ear, th will give you th sound, earth. So where we live, we live on earth, right? The next moth. What is this? Moth. Next teeth. What is this? Teeth. So students, now the next one is, there are some additional words too. So the very first word is the ooh. See, double o. Whenever there is double consonants or blend or blend me the double consonants or the double vowels, like this is double o, so the sound is long, two, t double o, two, th, tooth. The next is th, ink, think, on, thorn. The next one is path, path. The next one is earth, birth. Okay. So first of all, you all have to read this vocab one more time, and the next thing which you all have to do is you all have to read this passage also, because I want, because आप रिवाइज कर रहे हो तो आई वॉन्ट दैट योर स्पोकन इंग्लिश विल इम्प्रूव, आपकी रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस होगी, जितनी ज़्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे सो इट विल हेल्प यू थ्रू आउट द वे. ओके, तो अब आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू रीड दिस होल पैसेज फर्स्ट. फाइन. आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस होल पैसेज देन we will come to the writing part. So students, now you all have to read this passage by on, okay, without any help. अगर आपको किसी भी वर्ड में डाउट होता है, सो यू कैन आस्क मी बाय अंडरलाइन दैट वर्ड, बट यू हैव टू ट्राई रीडिंग बाय ऑन. आप खुद से रीड करोगे इसको, ठीक है. सो दैट इज योर होमवर्क, एंड you all have to share the voice recording of yours by reading this passage. ठीक है, आपका जो रीडिंग वर्क होता है, ओरल वर्क होता है, उसकी आपने ज़रूर रिकॉर्डिंग मैम से शेयर करनी है. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू शेयर द वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग, सो प्लीज़ शेयर द वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग विद मी. ओके, so that is your homework and it is mandatory to share by me. So now we will come to the written part. So kindly open your English notebook. Firstly, we will revise the words one more time, the th words. So th will give you th sound. So there are some stars and some th words written on it. So we will read one by one, then we will do dictation. So let's start. So the very first word is, we will do it previously. So read. Next, thin. Very good. The next one, bath. See, अभी ये आपने करा. Now second time जब आप revise कर रहे हो तो quickly आप read कर रहे हो. You don't have to do a recap. Okay, आपको recap की ज़रूरत नहीं है, रिवाइंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली ये आप स्पीक कर रहे हो. सो जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस होगी उतनी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट होगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज थम. नेक्स्ट cloth. Next moth. Right. So now what we will do? We will do, wait, dictation words. ठीक है. Now you all have to be ready. Kindly open your English notebook. There you all have to give a caption dictation words. ठीक है. Also mention the date on top. आपका जो previous page जहाँ पर आपने कल डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स लिखे थे, जगह होगी आपके पास. ठीक है. देयर इज सम स्पेस लेफ्ट ओवर, सो यू ऑल हैव टू मेक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड देन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ठीक है, डोंट टेक अ न्यू पेज, यू डोंट नीड टू वेस्ट इट, बिकॉज आप इजीली 2 यूनिट्स को 1 पेज में कवर कर सकते हो, ठीक है। सो लेफ्ट ओवर जो स्पेस है उसको यूज करो फॉर राइटिंग द डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स। फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Firstly, you all have to give a caption dictation. Now I am giving you dictation, but before that you also have to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 words I am giving you for dictation, so 5 numbers आप mention करो. इसके आगे we will write the dictation words. Okay, so I am waiting for you. Please write it down. Hurry up, hurry up! I am waiting for you all. Once you done, please tell me. Should we start, students? Okay, now I'm giving you the very first word. So, the very first word is teeth. What is it? Teeth. Hurry up, write it down. जो आपने फर्स्ट नंबर मेंशन किया है यहाँ पर 1 के आगे आपने क्या लिखना है? Spelling of teeth. You have to write teeth over here. Hurry up, write the spelling. Then I will give you the next word. Have you done it? Okay, the next word is thumb. Thumb. Write it down. The very first word is teeth. Teeth. The second one is thumb. Thumb. Hurry up. The third one is thin. Thin. Third one is thin. Okay, I am repeating one more time, students. You have to check it. So the very first word is teeth. Teeth. The first one is teeth. Teeth. The second one is thumb. Thumb. The third one is thin. Now come to the next word, students. The fourth word is ink. Think. The fourth word is ink. Think. The last word is earth. The fifth word is earth. So now you have to cross check the words. I'm repeating it one more time again. The very first word is eat, teeth. The second word is thumb. The third word is thin. The fourth word is ink, think, and the last word is earth, 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 right? So whenever you write the spellings, so you have to focus on sound. अगर आप sound पे focus करके write down करते हो spellings, तो आपके कभी भी spellings गलत नहीं होंगे. So that is the thing which you all have to do. So I am giving you some time to complete your dictation. अगर किसी की भी dictation left है, तो firstly you will complete this and then we will come to the next part. Okay, so hurry up, students. Firstly, complete your dictation words and then we will start with the sentence formation. Okay, so I hope so that you are done with the dictation part. So, students, here I am giving you 2 words, है ना? Although जो previous worksheet थी वहाँ पे मैम आपको बोलते थे कि आप कोई भी 2 words से आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है ना, कोई भी 2 वर्ड्स आप ले सकते हो, बट टुडे आई एम गिविंग यू 1 वर्ड जिस पे आपको सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है. यू हैव टू मेक अ स्मॉल सेंटेंस. So the very first word is THREE, tree. तो आपने ट्री पर कुछ सेंटेंस बनाना है, ठीक है. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड विच आई एम गिविंग यू इज thin, thin, right? So these are the two words, or you can say two vocab, by which you all have to make a sentence. Fine. So that's it for your today work. You all have to revise your unit C from your book, as well as you all have to perform this task also. Fine. So complete this task, then we will do our creative work. So for creative work, you all have to bring out your drawing files. So in the previous sessions, what we are doing, we are continuing with the same artwork, dry leaves pasting. And I told you in the previous session that you all have to do coloring here, right? So today what you all have to do, you have to paste the dry leaves over here, where you all have to paste the dry leaves ऑन द टॉप पार्ट. ये जो आप देख रहे हो ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट है, यहाँ पर जो आपके ड्राई लीव्स आपने कलेक्ट करे हैं गार्डन से, वो आपने पेस्ट करने हैं. एंड for pasting, what we will require the fevicol or the glue, whatever is there with you. You all have to bring it. So please be ready with the glue or the dry leaves. So first of all, what you all have to do, you all have to apply the fevicol over here. सी, आपने क्या करना है, आपने फेविकॉल को यहाँ पर अप्लाई करना है, यहाँ पर, ठीक है. इवनली यू हैव टू स्प्रेड इट विद द पेंट ब्रश के थ्रू आप इवनली उसको स्प्रेड करोगे, ठीक है. बिकॉज अगर आप पेंट ब्रश के थ्रू उसको स्प्रेड करोगे तो वो आपकी evenly spread होगी, right? So after putting glue over here, what you all have to do, you have to paste the dry leaves on top. अब आपने leaves लेने हैं and one by one you all have to paste the leaves on top, and your art sheet is ready now. So then you all have to capture a picture and send it to me. So that is your today task. You all have to complete it. Once you have completed, so share the work with me. So that's all for today work, students. We will meet in our next session with a new concept or the revision work. Fine. That's it. Have a good day.